European Union chief Ursula von der Leyen on Tuesday hailed the historic trade pact with India, calling it a mother of all deals. The EU chief, who was in India as a chief guest for 77th Republic Day, said the pact marked a new chapter in the partnership between the two sides. Prime Minister, distinguished friend, we did it. We delivered the mother of all deals, she said while delivering a joint statement along with Prime Minister Narendra Modi and European Council President Antonio Costa. Describing India and the European Union as two giants who chose a win-win partnership, Ursula said the deal is expected to cut around 4 billion euros in tariff, providing a major boost to businesses on both sides and strengthening supply chains. The agreement would significantly deepen economic ties and reduce trade barriers, she also added. Highlighting the significance of the India-EU Free Trade Agreement, Ursula said, the deal brings together complementary strengths from both the sides. Ursula also thanked India for the reception during her visit and said the experience of being the chief guest at the Republic Day celebration was deeply moving. The report News Now.